What's up, guys? I am back. So I got the Iconsigns Lash Lift Kit. I'm actually really pumped to try this. It's like an eyelash perming kit. If you guys don't know what a lash lift is, it's like a semi-permanent curl for your lashes to keep them. And since this quarantine has happened, I can't go to my lash lift lady. If you guys are from the Vancouver area, you should check out her Instagram. I'll link her Instagram here so you guys can check it out. And feel free to DM her. She honestly does such an amazing job. I love her. I've never done this before. So this is gonna be like a watch me / review. Let's have fun. Hopefully I don't burn my lashes off because I've worked so hard to grow them this long. I did read the reviews. There were a good amount and there were also there was like a good amount of good reviews and then there was also a good amount of bad reviews.
You want him to do you so much you could do anything.
Sometimes people got it broken when they got it delivered to them, so I'm kind of worried like opening this up if it's gonna be broken or not. And nothing is broken. Yay! So this is a manual. This helps me a lot. And in the kit comes a eye gel patches. Okay, so it says clean lashes and apply this. Oh my god. I think there's instructions on the back. Okay. Use the cleanser number 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. Okay, we can do that. I guess I use the cleaning tool. Look at this. It's the thing for your lashes. I don't know if I'm supposed to take this and put this through my lashes. Like, I'm just gonna take a cotton pad or a, what do you call this? I'm gonna take a Q-tip. I'm gonna dip it into the solution like this. I'm gonna do one eye first, just so that I have my other eye to look at you guys with, because I think if I do two at the same time, it's not gonna work out in my favor. Apply the eye pads under the eyelids to protect your skin from the lotions. Sucks, it only comes with like 2, so for like 1 use. I kind of wish it was more, but whatever. Okay, I just don't know if it's supposed to be like this big one and then the small, or if it's supposed to be small.
Stupid!
And big. I'm gonna apply this like that. I'm gonna keep the light on. I feel like that lighting is a lot better. Put glue on the eye pads, then place it on the upper part of the eyelid and make sure it is stayed. Oh my god, this thing is coming off. Here we go. Okay. This is what it looks like. And there's like different sizes for different eyelids. That's dope. Yeah, there's like no way that I'd probably do this again if we were out of quarantine. What size am I? How do I know what size I am? I guess we just have to measure it. Oh, that's too big. This is hard. Okay. Oh, this looks like the perfect one. I think this is the other one. This one is best suited for my eye. Oh my god. It's a lot harder than I thought it would be. So we're gonna take the glue, place this on my eyelid. Here we go. Just gonna hold this here for a little bit to get it stuck.
A few moments later.
This is why I go to Fabulash. Not even on my eyebrow. Okay, I think this is wrong. I think I put the wrong one on. Yeah, I did. It's supposed to be this one. Yeah, this one's better. What's wrong with me? Do anything right. Holy moly. Whew. It's hard work, guys. This is hard work. Okay, second try. Okay, this seems... I think I just have to keep my eyes closed.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay. Okay, apply the glue on the eyelashes to keep it stuck to the lip pads for 1 minute. Oh, it's pink. I'm gonna take the glue and then I'm just gonna sweep it over. I like how this is a brush application, so it makes it easier to apply. And then I'm gonna take my lashes. It's falling. I think because the glue's dried. Well, there's a little bit of it sticking. Maybe I'll just use this. This looks better. Okay, the rest of the glue dried. I have to do this fast. Oh my god. Oh my god. It didn't break. Oh my god, just stick onto the pad for Christ's sakes. Okay guys, we're getting somewhere. I'm sweating. I look crazy, I know. I think I'm just supposed to use my fingers for this. No. Or maybe I'm just not using enough glue. Let's just go in. You don't want to stick, but you're gonna have to. I'm just getting the last little bit up here. This is pretty good. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this sit for 1 minute. You guys like this vlog? That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, boy, ow, me.
Use the perm lotion #1 on the lashes and then cover your eyes with a plastic wrap. Perming time 10 to 12 minutes. This is the stuff that's gonna scare me for sure. I'm gonna go in with the perm. Oh, it smells disgusting. Oh, this smells so gross, guys. It's just not.
That's my shit.
I guess I'm supposed to use this guy. Is that right? And then it says place a plastic wrap over it. I'm just gonna use the plastic wrap that came with the package because I'm too lazy to go downstairs. Like that. And it says to let this sit for 10 to 12 minutes. I ended up going to get some plastic wrap because the lashes were just falling. So this is what they look like right now. I suggest listening to their instructions and using plastic wrap. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying this so far. This is really hard work. Don't mind the way that I look. I know I look a little crazy, but we're here for her.
Goggle!
Alright guys, so my timer is up and I'm just gonna go in and take the #2, which is the fixation. Apply that onto my lashes after I remove the perm. So I'm gonna take this off. And I'm gonna take my plastic wrap to put that onto my lashes to let it sit for 12 minutes. Just like this. Actually looking pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with myself. I was kind of worried because when I had put the perm on, some of the lashes were coming off and they weren't sticking onto the pad, so I was kind of worried that some of them were gonna be like half curled and half not, but hopefully this fixation one helps. And honestly, it's not that difficult to avoid getting it onto your eye area. There's no need for this gel, although it definitely is a good like pamper, make yourself feel like you're being treated with the whole process. All right guys, so my timer is up. It's time to take this off. The next step is use the cleanser #4 to clean off all residue with the Y brush, wiping with the comb side. This is the Y brush. And then I'm gonna take the cleanser. We're just gonna wipe all the residue off. So taking this off. Oh, okay, I'm really happy with this. Cotton swab, like that. I'm gonna go in with the Y brush, and I'm just gonna comb out all the excess amounts that I have. Oh, an eyelash came off. Oh no. I should have used this tool from the beginning. I felt like it probably could have taken me a lot further than... Huh? It's a very interesting tool. After I've cleansed off all of the excess product, I'm then going in with the nutrition. I'm just gonna place that and apply it onto my lashes. Okay. So now once I've done that, I'm gonna remove the lift pads from the upper part of your eyelid, then use the nutrition lotion to nourish your lashes. So this part here, I'm gonna take that off. Ow. Take that off. Oh sis, I didn't do a bad job. With it curled, without. With, without. I'm very, very proud of myself. Okay, now I'm gonna take the nutrition and I'm just gonna nourish my lashes. I'm gonna go in with the opposite side. My lashes are nourished. Honestly, I'm really, really happy with the way that this looks, especially for it being my first time. Wow. I didn't think this was gonna work, honestly, guys. Because the way that I was going in the beginning, it was just not, it was not it. Give it a thumbs up if you guys are enjoying the results of my right eye so far. I'm just gonna work on my left eye now, and then I will be back with my final result. The final look after the lift. I don't know if you guys noticed a difference. I do. See how long this lift lasts for?
What the fuck?
And if you guys liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. It's a good way to pamper yourself. If you guys want to try something new, go ahead. I'll link the link to where I bought this from on Amazon, just so that you guys can get the exact one if you wanted to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys were impressed with my lash lifting skills. Also, let me know in the comment box down below what you guys think. Send me a white heart for a good job on getting my lashes lifted for the first time. I will catch you guys soon. Hope you guys are all enjoying your quarantine and you guys are taking and soaking up all this family time that we're getting with one another or your loved ones. Bye!